Learning Made Easy by Sensory Planet. Chapter number 1. Look, I drew a microscope. Today, we will learn about it. You must have seen and used a microscope in the lab. Earliest microscopes used to see insects. That's why they were called flea glasses. It was made in 1950 by Hans Janssen and Zacharias, who were father and son. Leeuwenhoek created powerful lenses. Robert Hooke used it to discover honeycomb structure of cork. The parts of microscope are lens, quartz focusing mechanism, arm, fine focusing mechanism, base, body tube, revolving nose piece, objectives, mechanical stage, rack, and the mirror. Key features of microscopes are its magnification and resolution. Magnification is the ability to make small objects seem larger, while resolution is the ability of the microscope to distinguish details of a specimen or sample. Increasing the magnification usually decreases the resolution. Don't forget to subscribe.